This video is about how you can answer the question, what is your biggest weakness when going for CA forms, CA interviews, and position for CAs in industries. I am myself a CA final student and I have given interviews in prestigious CA firms and industries as well. And one of the biggest questions that I faced was, what is your weakness? See, one can go chat GPT as well. What is their weakness? And you can get a standard answer. But that sounds fake. That is not honest. That is not real. And in this video, I'm trying to tell you how you can answer this question, which is real, honest, and true to yourself. Because interview questions are not just to get a job, obviously, but they are also for self awareness, personality development. I mean, through these questions, one can get to know themselves very well, and just knowing yourself through these 5 questions about yourself: what is your strength, what is your weakness, what is your hobby, and what is your hobby and what is your weakness. Basically, these 4 to 5 questions, if you know how to tailor them, if you know how to represent yourself through them, you can answer n number of questions. You can answer 30 questions if you know basically these 5 questions, and this should be true and related to your journey. So the first question that I'm taking is, what is your weakness? So when they're asking you what is your weakness, you do not have to be entirely honest. You do not have to say that I'm emotional, I'm perfectionist, or that I am a little technically challenged, or I tend to trust other people a lot, or I do not know how to speak in English. See, all this you are saying are true and they are honest and they are related to you. I am myself a CA student, so I know all these are true and I can understand it. But you yourself, when preparing, be honest. Ask yourself, what is my weakness? And when you yourself have answered it, yes, this is my weakness, then also see how you have overcome it. See, when they are asking you what is your weakness, they are looking for many things. First of all, they are looking for truth. Yeah, okay, you are being truthful to us. Second, how you got to know it. And third, how you have overcome it. So when you know how to tailor it according to your situation, you can answer it very, very, very well. So what is your weakness? So how you can know what is your weakness? Do not say I do not have any weakness. Do not say it. See, obviously, when we have worked on it, it is no longer a weakness, because every CA student has a habit of never giving up. So always what sets us back, we work on it and we come forward. That is our strength. But how you can answer this question? First, maybe you can be a CA article. So look through your CA foundation journey, look through your CA intermediate journey. It could be during exams preparation, it could be mixed with life challenges. This was my weakness. For example, I came to know that I tend to focus on one subject only. So this could be a real problem. I'm just giving you an example. I came to know that I tend to focus on one subject only. And when I came to know about it, that is how I overcame it, by focusing on 8 subjects and clearing it. So I'm just giving you a very short example. I hope you know right now how to tailor it. First, look at your journey, CA journey. It could be mixed with life challenges, it could be mixed with studies, it could be mixed with hardships, it could be mixed with anything. Then draw, okay, that is where I was lacking. It could be, focusing too much on one subject, or anything. For example, afraid of public speaking. In IT or OC, you discovered that sometimes you are afraid of coming up. But then you analyzed it in first 2 days that I'm not able to speak up. But then how you overcame it? You started participating more, you started reading more, and at the last you won the best presenter award as well. So this is how I came to know through my CA journey that this was my weakness, and this is how I have overcome it, and this is how I can cater what I have overcome to this organization. I can freely now, as I have overcome my public speaking skills, I have worked on it and I'm still working on it while communicating it to you. But at the same time, it will help me in your organization as well. For example, during interviews, during meetings, I can convey my thoughts well, my ideas well. So I hope this video has given you a background key. Through this question they are asking what is your weakness that you have discovered during this journey, how you tell it through a story, how you have overcome it, and how it can add to their organization, and tailor it. See, you can get a standard answer on ChatGPT as well, but as a CA student, ChatGPT didn't help me unless and until I knew how to tailor it. And like this, you can tailor your own answers. See, weaknesses could be, as a CA student, the weaknesses that I have felt is tremendous amount of syllabus pressure. Okay, and it was mixed with life challenges. It could be public speaking. You are an ambivert, but you have worked on it during your IT or OC training. Obviously, that is they are for example, or during articleship you faced technical challenges, but when you are going for an industry interview, you do not say it, you say something different. For example, you were an ambivert. See, you may have many weaknesses, you just have to mention one. Okay, and how you can verify it? Through your journey. And every one of us have weaknesses, but the biggest strength of this journey is that we overcome it. See, you have had weakness, no one is there without any weakness, especially in CA industry, but also at the same time you have overcome it. That is why you are here. So maybe just look back your journey, and this video helps in telling you how to answer this question. Bye, take care.